Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to Kajabi. All right, it is actually pretty easy. First up, go ahead and log into your Google Analytics account. Now, once you're in here, just go to the bottom left and click on Admin. Now, in here, go ahead and go to Data Streams right here under Data Collection and Modification. Okay, just click on it. Wait for it to load. Go ahead and select one of your websites right here. Click, and all you need to do is just copy the measurement ID. All right. Here it is. Just copy it, click on copy, and wait for it to say that it is copied to clipboard. Now go ahead and go to your Kajabi account. And here, go ahead over to settings. Now go to site settings, third-party integrations, right here. Now, under third-party integration, just go ahead and scroll down and find analytics. And once you've found Google Analytics, just make sure to enable the slider and then paste the copied ID right here. And once done, don't forget to go to the top and hit on save. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. That's how you add Google Analytics to Kajabi. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.